What's up YouTube? Over 4 days of trading I made like 4.2k I believe. So let me show you quick. So now we are at 2k. This happened when I was actually super sick, guys. I'm still sick and my nose as well looks like I've been doing cocaine for 3 months. So so let's get into this Thursday trade I want to show you guys, right? Okay, so 2:30. When was it? It was this candle, this bullish, right? So on Thursday we had like some sort of consolidation, this whole zone. So I was like, okay, so here's the support down there, here's like a kind of like supply zone over there where we can potentially see some sort of selling pressure, right? So in my whole idea with this one was like, okay, let's see how is this gonna open at 2:30. If we're gonna have a crazy push to the upside, after that maybe we can sell it from there. But we actually were going up like slowly, you know, we got rejected here. So I was like, okay, I was still looking for buys in this scenario, but I didn't know how strong is this zone because this is a supply zone as well. So I was just waiting. We had this big rejection back. After that we came back here after we moved back. So when this happened, this bullish engulfing, this big bullish candle, I was like, I was ready to get into the market. I saw the volume, the momentum as well as changing. Like it was crazy actually how this went up. So I was like pretty sure we're gonna go for this supply zone, stop these people out, and after that maybe we're gonna go down. So that's what I did. I entered after this bullish candle, and yeah, after that it was pretty easy actually to fill this one up. So I banked here. I'm not sure how much you're gonna see it in a live trade. So yeah, this was the first trade I took it out somewhere here. After that I was like, you know what guys, if you have this rejection from here, why not to get in for a sell entry, right? So I got in with a sell entry somewhere there. Straight away we started going down, and after that this one rejected back like crazy. So the next one was like starting something like this, and after it came back to this level and it started going down. So I'm not sure where I was closing it. Maybe I was closing it here or here somewhere, but I was like, you know what, man, with this position and this position together, I made like 3% in the whole day. So I was like, you know what, let's leave it for today and be good with a profit, right? So this was Thursday. Yeah, you know what, Friday trade, I'm not gonna show you guys. Let's see the live trade now, and after that I'm gonna show you, right? Peace. We have one supply zone here. Next one is gonna be this one. If we put here a trend line, obviously we have a trend line as well here. So today is gonna be a good day. I see it already, man. We rejected from there clearly, but we don't have any wick here. Guys, I'm still feeling fucking sick, man. I could be buying this shit now actually, but yeah, it's usually I think it's just gonna reach the supply zone, and after that we might gonna see some sort of rejection from there. But I'm thinking actually maybe I can try to buy it. Look at that rejection, man. Jeez, I need to wait a clear movement because I don't like these big candles. Let's see how is this one gonna close. He's doing this, man. I'm just gonna enter, bro, with the buy. Yeah, let's go. We're gonna get this nice supply zone over there. Look, if we have this big rejection from here, man, I just don't see it. It's gonna go down, so that's why I entered the position. Hopefully we can get a nice break to the upside, man. The last minute. 2 seconds for this candle. Yeah, right, let's see if we can break that, because we have some sort of rejection. 100% must be some EMAs or some clear level, and our target is this part. Let me see if we can catch that one. Looks like we're rejecting from that point. EMAs actually crossed each other, so swapped, you know. We should be okay for long term, you know. Let me see where the 15 minutes is going to close. Hopefully this 5 minutes, man, can close up somewhere here, man. That would be huge for us. Let me see if we're gonna have some sort of rejection from that zone. Am I just gonna bang it, guys? Yeah, man. That's it. Alright, fuck hell. We banged it 1.8k, right? Yeah. Good. The reason why I'm not trading now, because there is a huge supply zone over there, right? So I wasn't sure if they're gonna slash it through or not, but it looks solid zone, so I'm not gonna risk it, guys. I'm just gonna take the money. And now it's just 500 minus, right? That's it for today, guys. So even though I'm fucking ill, man, I'm being ill, I still called this whole move. I mean, it wasn't a bad trade, but still, you know, it was so annoying because we had this rejection from this zone, which looks like actually a reversal, but it didn't happen. So I'm actually happy, man. This turned out well. It could have been easily come back to this point, right? So yeah, guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video, and see you in the next one, right? Peace. What's up, guys? Hope you're still here, right? So Friday, let's see Friday what happens. So Friday we had this, it wasn't a lot of movement, to be honest. So I didn't know what they're gonna do, obviously, because we had this like shifting momentum to the upside, right? I mean, we were just going up like crazy. No real like rejection or pullbacks and nothing crazy, you know? So I was checking which zone can I like buy it, if I'm gonna buy it, because if I want to sell it, the zone is so unclear for me. Maybe this red one should be 12,160 or something like that to sell it, right? But I was looking to buy this thing, and as soon as the market opened with a sell, I mean with the bearish engulfing, I was like, man, this is a huge opportunity for me, right? So I was getting it straight away after this bullish engulfing candle, which is like, looks very solid for me. And another indication that this thing is in a supply zone, just let me show you guys real quick. Let me show you the 5 minutes. So this was actually like a, you know, unfilled orders here because it's like a gap in the market. And this one looks like support as well, you know. So we came back to the support, and obviously what's gonna happen, we're gonna break out from the support, right? And so we actually were holding this support, so we made a new high over here. Never mind. Okay, so how I entered this with the bullish engulfing, I got in. After that I was closing it somewhere here, my positions, because I wasn't like crazy sure, man, what they're gonna do with the price. I was a bit scared as well, to be honest. I don't know why, man. Because where is it? Yeah, I closed it somewhere here because it's the lows of orders got taken out from here as well last time, and I didn't want it to hold it too long. Maybe they're gonna just reverse the price, you know, because we just grabbed these people, so I was like, okay, you know what, good for the day, that's it. And after that I was like, you know what, man, if we have this crazy rejection from the upside, you know, so we started shifting down, right? So I was like, you know what, maybe I can catch a little move to the downside to stop these people out and to grab this liquidity over here and here as well. But the market decided not to do that, so I actually lost here. I don't know if it was 1% or maybe less. I think I lost like 500 pounds or something like that. So I closed it a bit earlier before it hit my stop loss because it didn't look promising, and I didn't have time to actually buy this thing. But actually I should have bought this because, phew, man, after that the move was huge to the upside. So never mind, this was Friday, guys. I don't want to talk a lot, guys. Let's see the live trade, how these things happened, yeah? Peace. Alright, today we have some huge news. Okay, we reached a kind of rejection zone from here, but we had a big push to the upside on the 4 hour. The daily as well looks like we just about to break out from this little descending nature. Looks like if you have a nice bullish candle, I'm just gonna enter. Yeah, let's get it. You have some huge rejection from this level. Let's see how the 5 minutes going to close. Let's see if we can get the breakout. Now we are at a 5 minutes supply zone over here. Okay, we have to keep in mind we are already in a reversal zone. So anytime can happen, any reversal from this point. Actually looking forward to see if this level gets broken. We're flying, man, we're flying. Should I just take the 2%, guys? I think I'm just gonna take it because it's getting slower and slower. I think I'm just gonna take this money, man. Yeah, that's it, guys. 1,500. A little bit over 2%. It's alright, man. Now maybe we can even look for sells, guys. I still have a little bit of time. So we have some sort of rejection from this supply zone. Look, if we're breaking this high, I'm not gonna get involved anymore with this trade, so I'm just gonna take it as a smaller loss. Looks like we're banging to the upside, so we got rejected a couple times. Yeah, we might just gonna lose this one, guys. Yeah. Alright, I think that's it for today, my boys. Alright, guys, I'm going out. See you in the next week. Hopefully you had a nice trading week, right? Peace. Okay, boys, if you are still here, you are a VIP guest in my YouTube channel. So let's see Monday, man. Monday, I'm not gonna show the live trade because it's like, man, lots of shit happened. So Monday, what happened? Let me show you guys. Where was it? So how the market opened, it was this candle, and I was coming to the IMAC a bit late. Actually, I came around 40, something like this was the market when I saw that. So in my whole opinion was like, okay, we went to the upside, we rejected back, we went again to the upside, we rejected back, so we actually closed down here, which was just a supply zone, as you can see it over there. In the 1 minute it was a supply. So I don't know actually if it was on the 5 minute as well. Let me cut it down. Yeah, it was a little bit of like, it looks like a supply, but it's like, you know, it's just a support actually. So from there we rejected back like crazy, and after that we had this breakout here where I entered the trade for some reason. And why I entered actually this one, because we had this zone here. I mean, let me show you guys. So where we had this nice support, right? So this support got broken here. So in my idea I was like, okay, so these people rejecting back from this kind of like support zone, you know, and we actually broke a little resistance zone as well over here, right? So I was like, okay, man, so these things must go down till this point. Maybe we're gonna grab even more people here and we get some buy orders to buy these things from there. But it didn't happen, so it just slashed me through. And after that I was hoping I can get a good sell entry back to this zone, because there's lots of people still waiting here to buy this thing, you know. and it didn't happen here, didn't happen here as well. And after that I was super unlucky actually. So let me show you guys how I was unlucky. Let me close this one. So it happened, you know, I bought it here and the market just going down to these EMAs, and after that it pushed back, took me out as break even. So I was like, okay, and after that it got dropped, man. So I was like, fuck, man, I could have banked like 4 or 5%, but I didn't. Never mind, this happened. All right, let me show you guys the big day, Tuesday, right? So Tuesday, which was today, guys. Hopefully you're gonna learn something from this, because I caused some huge moves, guys. So let me show you how I caught this. So we had this kind of consolidation here, and after that we started going down on the New York Open, and after that I was, you know, obviously getting in here at the stock market open. So stock market opened with a big bullish candle, big bullish move to the upside, loads of buyers got tricked in the market. And what Kevin did, Kevin was waiting for the perfect entry to the sell side, and I was getting in somewhere here. I put my stop somewhere there because we still have here a little bit of supply zone, I would say, and a nice resistance level as well. So after that we got the news, which came at 3 o'clock, slashed into profit. And why I took it out actually there, because this was a huge zone for me to actually get out from the market. So you're gonna see it in a live trade, man. It happened so quick. My take profit didn't even get triggered, you know. So it was like moving like this, and after that, like couple seconds later, took me out. So it was fucking quick actually, this one. And after that, my idea was like to buy this thing from this zone, because it's a huge daily zone. Let me show you guys. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, loads of rejection from that zone. So I was like, okay, maybe we're gonna get some nice rejection from that zone or retracement. So I bought it here, and after that, when I saw this, actually this second bullish thing, man, I was getting out somewhere here. I don't know, I think somewhere there, because it was just like, what, we had a push, second push, and this second push closed like this, man. I'm not gonna get involved in this market anymore. So I closed it with like minus 400 instead of minus 700. But look, man, after that it just could have hit my take profit. I was a bit mad, but whatever happened is happened. So I was like, later on I came back to the computer. I was like, okay, man, maybe we can get a nice move to the upside till this supply zone. Maybe they can sell it from there. So this one, I think I wasn't recording this session actually, I mean this trade, because it was so late. So you're not gonna see this one, but how I entered this one actually wasn't here. I entered somewhere here. So when we had this breakout, we came back here, and I was expecting some sort of pressure from this zone, because it's a supply zone as well. So, and look at that, it just got like a textbook, guys. And I got out actually in this point, the perfect closing in the day. So let's see how is it gonna be in the next days, guys. Enjoy this live trade, which is gonna come after this short video, and hopefully you're gonna have a beautiful week. Peace. This one is showing me some sort of bearish reaction. How am I gonna sell this thing, guys? Need a clear bearish candle to close. Let me get that break, bro. 3 rejection already. So this 1 hour candle, man. We had this big rejection from the downside, right? EM is still standing. How many times we've been here? Jesus. This one is gonna break it now. I feel it. Ooh. Okay, now we're gonna have some rejection for sure. Wow. Can we fucking reach that? What do you think, guys? Bro, couldn't even take it off, man. What the fuck, man? Jesus. Oh, fuck. What the fuck, man? So I made 2K with this position, guys. Fucking hell, man. That was huge, man. Jesus. Fuck's sake. That was fucking huge, guys. Alright. We could have banged a little bit more, but that was fair enough, man. Alright, guys. See you later, yeah?